Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're all doing well. So I think these last couple of weeks I've been on this discovering new products, new hair products, new websites and new places to go to get your hair products. So I found another website. So this one's called Cult Beauty, quite similar to the last video which I done last week. Another website which does hair products, makeup products, skincare, fragrance. They've done 3 different hair kits for different types of hair types, depends what you need. So they have the repair kit, which we're gonna go, but they also have the volume kit, and then they have the volumizer, and then I have a curly kit. So for anyone with curly hair, they've got a kit for you, so you get to try out different products and see if you like it. So I've got the repair kit because, as you know, I really want to strengthen and get my hair, just get it together of how I personally want it to be. So they have this, and it's called the repair edit. Sorry, they call them edits. So repair edit, the volume edit, the curly edit. So that's what it is. So the website, I think I called it, it's called Cult Beauty. So this is it here. This is the one I've got, the repair. Yeah, it's called Cult Beauty, the repair edits. They call it edit. So it says, restore damaged hair to its former glory with this reparative routine, complete with strengthening shampoo, replenishing mask, and growth stimulation scalp treatment. So it gives you a little hint. They do show you what you get on the website. I've kind of seen it, but I haven't seen it in I kind of seen it, but I haven't like actually seen it yet. So I thought to unbox this online, show you guys. So let's just open it and see. So it comes in this, and it comes in this little box here, this box here, and it says here Cult Beauty, where it's from. Is it this way? Yeah. So you open it up this way. It's got some tissue paper. Let's take the tissue paper on top. It's got everything in here. I don't want to just spill out the contents, but it's just got everything in here. But I just want to show you one thing why I was definitely excited for this one. Because if you saw last week's video, then you know I got Olaplex 8. Olaplex 8. It is only 20 mils, so it is like a little bit smaller than the others, because the others I showed you, they were 30 mils. But yeah, it's got the Olaplex number 8. That's why I was really excited. But then it's got new products for me to try out as well. So we're just going to go through them. So the first one was the Olaplex. So the first things I'm going to show you is the Living Proof Restore Shampoo. That's 60 mils. And then this is the conditioner, 60 mils. So I've got some shampoo and conditioner. So that's what I've got here. So then I've got the scalp treatment. So this was quite interesting. It's called the Inky List Caffeine Stimulating Scalp Treatment. It's mainly for hair loss reduction serum. It does say it's suitable for all hair types, best for thinning hair. And it says proven to improve hair growth. So it's 50 mils. Yeah, I've never heard of this company before or anything like that, so this is definitely something new for me to try. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I won't use everything together. I think this repair kit, I'll use them together after I've used my other products. But yeah, we'll try out this. It's a scalp treatment. I've never actually tried a scalp treatment, to be honest. I do oil my scalp, but I've never tried a night before pre-treatment for my scalp. So let's see what that's going to do. So I've got, the next product I've got is the Renaissance Circle, and it's by Davines, and that is 50 mils. This is a Hopeless Hair Extreme Repair Hair Mask. So it is definitely going to repair the hair. I've never heard of this before. These products which I'm saying now, I've never heard of them and never seen them before. So I think because I don't know if they're online products or what, but in my local hair shops I don't think I will see any products like these. So the next product I've got is Virtual, the 6-in-1 styler. It's a leave-in treatment. So this one is a leave-in conditioner, 60 mils. I've never heard of this before. That's what I'm saying, sorry. This box is, apart from the Olaplex I've showed you, oh, Living Proof I've heard of them before, but everything else I haven't heard of these before. So this is something new for me to try out. So this is the last product you get in the box, and this is the only one that is full size. So it's called Amica Brooklyn Bombshell. So that's what it is. It's a blowout spray. So it's for when you blow drying and straightening your hair. You just put this in your hair. This is the last product that comes in a box. It's the Way hair oil. So it's only 5 mils. So this is the little hair oil. So after you do your leave-in, just says 6-in-1 styler, but we know leave-in conditioner, then you put your hair oil. Or you can do that after, because it's got your blowout spray. So maybe you put in your leave-in, your blowout spray, and then your hair oil. So it's like that. So if you don't want to wear your hair out like me today, it's by Invisible, I think it's called, and it's a scrunchie, and there are 2 in there. I want to open it because it says something about spiral inside. I don't know. I think these are 2 little satin scrunchies. I'm not too sure. Yeah, it's got a spring inside it. Yeah. So they've covered it in satin to protect your hair, but it's got because it did say, when I saw it, it says spiral inside. Oh, okay. See, this is new to me. This is very new. So it's got a spring, you know, with like, oh, I haven't got my scrunchie in today, but you know it's usually the elastic what's in it. But this one, if you feel it, it's got them, I've seen them clear little springs. Those clear little bubbles. I'll put it on top, but it's got that inside. And then what they did, they just covered it in satin, or twice. So you've got a, I would say this is what, a pinky sort of rose gold. I would say this is maybe come under rose gold, and this is your silver one. I don't know if you can see the difference in the colours, or does it look like the same colour online? I don't know. But let me just try this, because I like the feel of this. Yeah, you have to wrap it around twice, but it's still loose. But they feel actually comfortable. So they gave you a pack of 2 slim scrunchies. So if you don't want the big fat ones, which I usually use, they've given you these 2. I can't wait to check these out, use them for a while, because that really shocked me. I'm so used to the normal, and you could have just felt it in the box. They got a little hand where you can feel how soft it is. But yeah, something new. So that is all the products in my box. Show you everything here. I can't really show you now because I've just undone it. Got my box of goodies. That is everything in there. I'm so excited just to try out these new products because I have never heard of them. I personally usually go to my local hair shop. It's just easier down the road, pick up what I want, and most of the products I know of. But sometimes it's good to try something new. I know these products which I did mention, I think they're more on the higher end product, but it's nice to treat your hair once in a while, do you know what I mean? Not always, but it's good to know new products. And like I said, this is called the Repair Edit. So you know, I'm trying to repair and strengthen up my hair. So that is basically goes with the theme of what I'm doing today, what I'm doing currently at the moment, just really trying to get my hair strong and healthy as possible. So that's what I want, and I think these products may help or may not. These products may be just not great for my hair, and then I can know to stick to what I know, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's about it. So as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. So take care now. Bye.